Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use subtraction, multiplication and division function in Excel. Suppose we have the values and we need to type the formula here. In C1 set, double click of the mouse, double left click of mouse, type equal sign, and a formula starting with the equal sign. Select A1. Now press minus sign from keyboard and select B1 and now hit enter. So you will get this value A1 minus B1, which is 8 minus 20. Now drag to the bottom when you see the blank plus sign and autofill will do the 8. Now here we do multiplication. Again double click of left mouse click, press equal sign and select A1 and now enter the star key, shift plus star key. And now select this and for multiplication you need to press shift key plus 8 key and you will get the star key. You will get multiplication symbol, enter, and drag to the bottom again. Now for division, select this and press forward flash and now select this B1, now hit enter, drag to the one. So in this way you can do subtraction, multiplication and then division. So it is very easy to do subtraction formula, multiplication formula and division formula in Excel. Subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.